Happy New Year, Guruji. Love you, Guruji. Miss you, Guruji. Guruji, I cannot explain to anybody that what Guruji is for me. Sote, jagte, utte, baithte. For me, it's only Guruji, Guruji, Guruji. I met Guruji in the 90s and he was in Panchkula that time. I had gone to him through my sister. We went to Panchkula, my sister, my mother and I. And Guruji was there, and he was just, young and in his robes and whatever. And looked at Guruji and I really thought who's this? Where are we? And Guruji was telling the Sangat, Tusi dasso, tu das apna experience. And people were relating their experiences. And I was saying who's this man who's showing off so much about himself? Totally disconnected. And that's my first time meeting Guruji. And then my mother had a health issue. She was not being able to digest her food. So I thought everybody is narrating their experiences, let me also try. So I had the guts to go up to Guruji and said to him that Guruji, meri mummy nu khana nahi hazam hunda. So Guruji looked at me and he said, Manu bula. So I told mummy, aage aa jao. And my mother came and so he just gave her a mukka at the back and he said, ja, ऐश कर, तेनू ठीक करता है. Again, I never believed Guruji. I said कि ऐसे बोलने से थोड़ी होता है. But believe me, Guruji just said कि ऐश कर, and my mother was totally cured. I mean, this thing of just bringing out her food was totally, it just disappeared from that day. And Guruji then also took out his socks and gave them to my mother and said, Uma aunty, eh meri juraba, tu apne kol rakh, te tenu eda bahut fayda hoega. So my mother has those socks even now, and the socks still have Guruji's fragrance. After that, Guruji went to Delhi. He was in the GK Mandir, and I used to visit the GK Mandir. Once or twice I went to the GK Mandir. And Guruji, used to tell people do charan seva. So I did Guruji ki charanon ki seva. And somebody watched me there and told me that, listen, you are so young and there's no need to go to these babas and all. I mean, they are all dhungis. So just don't go to this Guruji. I was so stupid that I said, I'm not going. For 10 to 15 years, I forgot about Guruji. I did not go to Guruji. And in those 10-15 years, whatever happened, it was just a bad time in my life. There was a lot of disturbance in my family, a lot of issues. And in 2004, my bhabi Seema aunty said to me that this Guruji, I've gone to this Guruji and he has a lot of powers. And you are facing so many problems. Can you just visit him? That time I said, now, she described Guruji to me. I said, I think I've met this Guruji. So I went with her, and after 10 to 15 years, as I entered that room, in Guruji's room in Empire Estate, he just looked at me and he said, Tu aa gayi hai Benu aunty? Tu kalle nahi aana. Tu Rajiv nu naal leke aayi. How Guruji knew my husband's name, and he said, Tu kalle na aayi. So I just, fell at his feet and said, Guruji, mainu maaf kar deo, and I will try to bring Rajiv. And I really thought that my husband's not going to come. But, with all the problems that one faces, one remembers to go to places like this. I told my husband and he was, totally ready to come. And my husband and I started going to Guruji, and how much love he gave us, itna Guruji ne pyar diya. And my husband is heavily diabetic. My husband one day Guruji gave a handful of jalebis, lots and lots of jalebis to my husband to eat, and he said, tu kha. I said, Guruji, diabetes hai ki ye kuch ho jayega. He said, tu zyada na bol, kal jaake sugar nap lenge di. So next morning, the whole night I didn't sleep. I went and I stood next to my husband. He was checking his sugar. His sugar came to 74. And I just, thought, नहीं आपने ठीक से blood नहीं लगाया, आप दोबारा से test करो. and his sugar was again 74. And that was not our day to visit Guruji. You know, we used to visit Guruji on Thursdays, and that was a Friday. So I told my husband that let's go now, today, and thank Guruji. And before me, my bhabhi was, that was her day, Friday was her day, she was going to Guruji, and she entered the mandir, and Guruji tells her, Kudi the number 84, Rajiv the sugar 74. So she said, हाँ Guruji आज result निकले है, the result 84% आया, पर राजीव दी शुगर दा मैंने नहीं पता, वो होने आंदा पिया है, तेनू होने पता लग जाएगा. 10-15 minutes later we entered, and Guruji looked at Rajiv and said, AK-74 तू आ गया. So we just ran to Guruji and said, Guruji, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I mean, this is just a small incident. You know, my father was discovered with cancer, and he was a totally hale and hearty man, you know, never even had fever in his life. And suddenly the doctors said that he's got this kind of a cancer where we can give him maximum 3 to 6 months. So we went crying to Guruji and said, Guruji, Papa no cancer ho gaya hai. So he thought for a moment and he said, tu ki chahni hai? So I said, Guruji, tusi sab kuch kar sakte ho, tusi kuch karo. So Guruji said, acha, jao 5 saal dete. And my father lived exactly for 5 years. You know, and my, daughter wanted a big child and she couldn't conceive. So again, went up to Guruji and said, Guruji, baby vaste try kar rahi hai. And that was in the month of September. So Guruji said, "Es saal nahi, agle saal." So next year in January, my, daughter had come to Dubai only. That was her anniversary. And she went back, and in the new year we thought we'll go and meet Guruji. Both of us went, and Guruji told my daughter, kitchen se jaake halwa bana. So my daughter looked at me and said, "Mereko to halwa banana nahi aata." So I said, "Somebody will help you. There's Amma in the kitchen, she'll help you." So my daughter went to the kitchen and made halwa. That halwa was brought out, and Guruji said, "Hun sangat che halwa vand." And he gave her पूरा सा इतना हाथ भर के हलवा उसको दिया and said, "ए तू हलवा खा, तेनू हलवे दी लोड़ है." So she had to eat that halwa, and when we went outside after that day, आज्ञा लेके बाहर गए, I told my daughter, "You are 100% pregnant." So she said, "No, I have not even missed my period. How can I be pregnant?" So I said, "This month you are not going to get your period. You are 100% pregnant." So she said, "How do you know?" I said, "Because Guruji said, "Eh halwa kha, tenu halve di lod hai," means you have to eat for 2 people now. So you're definitely pregnant." And of course she was pregnant. And Guruji blessed her with a beautiful baby boy. And they say that Guruji, whenever he blesses somebody with children, he picks out the souls. He really makes out special children. And I think my little grandson is really, really special. And Guruji, we are so stupid that while we were there, we could talk to Guruji, be with Guruji, laugh, joke with Guruji. We never really thought what Guruji was all about until his Mahasamadhi. Because now anybody who could extend life, give life, is not a magician or somebody, who's an elevated soul. He was Shiva on earth. He was Lord Shiva. He came to bless us all, and whoever comes in Guruji's Sharan is totally blessed. It's not necessary that the Sangat who's met Guruji is more blessed. Actually, Guruji is doing so much for the new Sangat. People who've never met Guruji, the kind of experiences they have. Look at Bada Mandir now. I mean, it has lakhs and lakhs of people. All over the world now satsangs are being held. It is only by, it's not just people don't have that kind of spare time to listen and get connected. Miracles are happening around them all the time. Guruji came to this earth and used to tell us, "तुसी ना दिल्ली वाले संगत ना, तुसी अपने असली चीज तो मंगदे नहीं मेरे कोलों, ते जदों मैं इत्थों चले जावांगा तद तुहानू समझ आएगी." And we used to think, Guruji चलो जलंधर चले जाएंगे, कहीं चले जाएंगे. Never actually thought कि गुरुजी हमें छोड़ के चले जाएंगे. But I think Guruji is still there. कितनी बारी तुम गुरुजी के, at least my own personal experience tells me, whenever I think of Guruji, whenever I deeply connect with him, you know, I sometimes feel that he's just so much around us, you know, हर चीज हमारी संभाल रहे हैं, इतना गुरुजी ने दिया है. मतलब I'm not talking only of material, you know, the spiritual growth. We all have come to this earth and we all have to leave this earth, but now, you know, in spiritual growth, if we've connected to Guruji and if our spiritual progress is there, बाकी जो कर्म है उसके हिसाब से तो हमको भोगना पड़ेगा ही. बट गुरुजी यूज्ड टू से अपना तुसी कर्म भोगना है, बट मैं ਉਹਦਾ 90% कटवा देना है, 10% तो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਭੋਗਣਾ ही पड़ेगा. So Guruji is exactly doing that for all of us. And so I think संगत जी, आप गुरुजी कहते थे आए हो तो आंदे रहना. मतलब डोंट डू दिस कि गुरुजी ਨੂੰ टेस्ट कर रहे हो आके, गुरुजी मेरा काम करा ਦਿਓ, वो काम ना होए ਤੇ ਛੱਡ ਦਿਓ गुरुजी ਨੂੰ. It's not like that. ਹੁਣ ਗੁरुਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਹੱਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਖੋਲੀ ਹੋਈ ਇੱਥੇ. You know, just come, be with me, stay connected and then see. फिर नज़ारे देखो. तो आई थिंक हम तो नज़ारे देख रहे हैं. गुरु जी का इतना शुक्र है, इतना शुक्र है, जितना भी हम शुक्र करें वो हमारे लिए कम है. एंड संगत जी, ऑल ऑफ यू अ वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड. जय गुरु जी.